A day after Maharashtra witnessed the highest one-day spike of COVID-19 cases, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Friday urged those eligible to get vaccinated without fear. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday addressed two mega rallies at Kharagpur in West Bengal and in Chabua in Assam ahead of assembly elections this month. This is Prime Minister's second visit in the two poll-bound state this month. US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin on Saturday said that Washington never believed that India and China were on the threshold of war at the height of tensions during their border standoff in eastern Ladakh. When a single US nuclear-powered aircraft carrier sets sail, it usually boasts an air wing of 90 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, a force more powerful than the vast majority of air forces on the planet. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora Saturday expressed hope the concept of remote voting will see the light of day by the 2024 Lok Sabha elections and said that a pilot project could begin in the next 2-3 months. Aam Aadmi Party National Convener and Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will address a Mahapanchayat against the three new farm laws at Huda ground in Haryana's Jind district on April 4. A day after the State Home Minister Anil Deshmukh accepted that the lapses in gelatin vehicles case and businessman Mansukh Hiren's death case led to Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh transfer. Shiv Sena backed Singh and justifies his transfer, stating that his transfer does not mean that he is guilty. The Moscow Conference on Afghan Peace has rejected the Taliban's idea of forming the Islamic Emirate in Afghanistan but urged the government to engage openly with their Taliban counterparts to work for a negotiated settlement of the conflict.